Hello guys, this is Kinsley for KeenTechz. In today's episode, we'll be downgrading from Maverick to Mountain Lion. The main reason I choose to do this tutorial is because I'm a huge After Effects fan. Since I updated to a beta version of Maverick, I wasn't able to use After Effects anymore. So let's get started. First, we'll need to go back up all of our files into one of the directories we've created. We need to back up our file into Vida Time Machine. Make sure it's on and select a disk that you'll use to back up your files to. In my case, I've created a partition earlier called Time Machine for this tutorial. So select Time Machine. I'm gonna select Time Machine and we'll back up all of our file, and I'm gonna be back right after this. I'm gonna switch to another camera so we can shut down our computer. I'll be right back. Hello everybody, I'm back, and as you can see, my backup has finished, so I'm going to here. Oh, by the way, this is a proof that I'm running Mavericks, and we're gonna restart our computer, blah blah blah. Are you sure you want to restart? When it's restart, you're gonna hold the option key. So we're gonna wait. Make sure that you've plugged in the USB installer that we've created earlier. So if not, you can check so hold down the option key while booting up until you went to this screen right here. When you get here, you want to boot from the USB that you've inserted. This is actually a macOS X Mountain Lion USB installer. If you want to know how to create it, check on our link below, and we're gonna press enter, and we'll wait it for the installer to boot. Once loaded, you'll be greeted with this screen. So we're going to go to disk utility, and select the hard drive you want to install it on. Partition. We're gonna need to press that little arrow. We'll press that little arrow. Alright. Make sure it is Mac OS Extended Journal, and we can name it whatever we want. I'm gonna call it ML, and we're gonna click on apply. Are you sure you want to partition? I'm sure. So we're gonna let it load until it finish to partition our hard drive, and we'll be right back. Now I finished partitioning my hard drive. We're going to close disk utility and go to reinstall OS X. Continue. Yes, I agree. Now we're going to select the partition we just created, which is ML for in my case, and press install. And from here, the installer will do the rest for you. So I'm gonna go back in a few seconds. 20 seconds left and counting. Now Mac it gonna restart by itself. It should boot into the ML partition that we've created to finish the installation. Quick fact, when Apple bought Nextstep, they actually bought Objective-C, which actually built the entire operating system that you're actually using right now. So we're gonna have to wait for 20 minutes to complete our installation, and then when it's almost done, I'm gonna be right back. Hello, I'm back, and with less than a minute, so I decided to just show y'all one more minute, less than one more minute, less than one more minute, less than one more minute. Alright, one more minute, less than one more. Sorry, I'm just trying to kill the time. If you are ever, tell me what big difference and changes that you find between Mountain Lion, Snow Leopard, Lion, and Maverick on a comment below. And alright. Install succeeded. The computer will restart in 5 seconds. So now your computer is restarting. Sorry. Apple spinning logo. 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 Apple spinning. As you can see, I have a terrible voice, so beg my pardon. My bad. I'm sorry. Can any of you please tell me what's the difference between the Mountain Lion and Maverick? I know their difference are. Tell me what you think about them in general. So, alright, finish talking. Now our thing is loading. Right now, welcome. So now you want to choose the country you're at right now.
OS 10 includes a built-in screen reader called VoiceOver. If you know how to use VoiceOver, press Command F5 now to turn it on and set up your Mac. If you would like to learn how to use VoiceOver to set up your Mac, press the Escape key.
So if y'all need to do that, y'all can do as they say, but for the sake of the video, we'll select US, United States, and continue. Select your keyboard. We're going to choose the US, continue, and you can keep going through the process. I'm gonna enter my network password. Alright, continue, connecting. Alright, we're just going to go with net now. We'll do it later on. Enable, continue, and you can just go through it and put in your credential, and I'll meet you at the thank you screen. So see you. Okay, if everything went well through the credential, you should have a screen like that. So let's start using your Mac. Ta-da! This is Mountain Lion. We came from Maverick to Mountain Lion. So once in Mountain Lion, you want to go to the launch pad and go to Migration Assistant. Select from a Mac, PC, Time Machine Backup, or other disk, and press continue. Enter your password. Continue. From a Mac to a PC, we're gonna select it from a Time Machine Backup, or other disk. Alright. They actually detected a Time Machine, and you just press continue. We check the thing that you need to be transferred. So me, I'm gonna transfer the users, the application, actually everything, because I'm gonna actually wipe out the Maverick partition so I can have full space on my new running operating system. So once in there, just press so let's just press continue for now. The user account, short name KeenTechz, that you are transferring as the same name and existing account of your computer. I'm just gonna say next. That depends on you. You can choose that, or so we're gonna click next. Oh, they have a problem because of my name. Just gonna make it one word. Now it's transferring, looking for application and document to transfer. I miss After Effects so much for 2 days. Yeah, it's been 2 days since I used After Effects, and I missed it so much. Now, come on, I need to go see my baby. So we'll let the migration assistant do its work, and we'll be right back with something when something goes. Alright, bye. As you can see right now, it's gonna take about 1 hour and 36 minutes before completion of the transfer. So if you wanna go grab a cup of coffee or a drink, you may chat with your friend. So me, I'm actually gonna get me some coffee because it's almost 2 a.m. in the morning right now. So let the migration assistant do its work. That's why it's our assistant. Alright. Okay guys, this is 3 hours later. All the information has been transferred. Now we'll just need to log out and we'll log in as our used to the account we used to log in. So we're going to click log out. As you can see, I have way more user than I used to. Alright, so log in and I'll meet you after you've logged in. Now that we've logged in, we're gonna check how the version of our Mac. As you can see, is 10.8.3. So we're gonna close and we're gonna see if our After Effects actually working now. So let's go After Effects Launchpad, insert screen, After Effects. Here we go. Yes, it's finally up and running. Whew, now I can go back to work and finally. I love creating some small intro videos on there. It's one amazing software. By the way, you'll be able to see one of my work as the intro and the outro of this video. So stay tuned, we're gonna quit now. So let's open disk utility to clean up a little. So disk utility, disk. Alright, so we first need to unmount all of the thing we need to erase. In my case, I have 2 partitions I need to erase, so I'm gonna unmount both of them. Unmount, and then we're going to press the disk, which is the top thing, and go to the partition table and minus sign at the bottom, blah blah blah, remove. We're gonna do the same thing for the other part. Make sure that you doesn't select the partition you on, because it might cause some big problem. Remove that one. Now we have all those free space. We can extend that one. And I'm gonna just prepare the top one for backups. Alright, we're gonna press the plus sign to add a partition to the free space, and we can name it whatever we want. I'm gonna name it time machine. And make sure it's macOS journal extended journal and click apply. So once finished, you should have 2 partitions, one with mountain lion and another one for your backups, and everything should be fine. We're gonna close now. What else? Yeah, alright, we're just gonna close. Now that we can check in our Finder, and you'll find all of your files in the way you left it before. Everything should be there. Yeah, everything. Yep, everything's here. So now we're gonna delete the extra user that we've created earlier to be able to have more power over our computer. So we go to user and account, and we're gonna make sure the one you're gonna leave have admin rights. And let's put the lock and put your password in, and we're gonna delete that one by pressing I don't remember which one was it. Yeah, it was that one. So we're going to create a menu sign, blah 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 blah, delete user, delete user. It's deleting all of the users thing. And we're going to guess, we're going to disable guess, uncheck, and lock. As you can see, guest access have been disabled, so we can close everything. And you should, but again, this is running Mountain Lion 10.8.3. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked it. Thanks very much.